5 is to chew thoroughly and eat slowly. In today's fast-paced world, we're all eating very, very quickly, and the problem with eating quickly is that it's very easy to overeat and get extra calories. Now, while I don't believe in calorie counting to a T, calories do count. They are important. You don't want to overeat, especially when you're trying to lose weight. And there are studies that show that people who eat quickly tend to be a higher weight, and it's probably because it's very easy to overeat. So I suggest eating slowly, chewing your food thoroughly, and being very mindful about what you're eating. And another suggestion I would make is try not to eat family style, where you're putting everything out on the table. It's so easy to have second helping, and that second helping is not helpful when you're trying to lose weight. So plate up your meal in your kitchen, bring it to the table, and enjoy it, but try not to have second helpings if you're trying to lose weight.